Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to unblock someone on your Facebook on your iPhone. And now let's start right now. To unblock somebody on your Facebook account from your iPhone, first open up your Facebook app like this. And after opening your Facebook app, on the bottom right corner of your screen you can see the menu icon. Tap on menu, and after landing over here you can see the settings of the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap over there, and after landing over here scroll down, and over here on the audience and visibility category there is the blocking option available. Tap on blocking, and over here you will find all the people you have blocked on your Facebook account from your iPhone. Tap on unblock like this and tap on unblock and go. And the guys, we have successfully unblocked somebody or a person from our Facebook on iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.